Now, next time y'all told him to move.
You tell him to move, don't even.
Well, you told him to move.
No, I didn't.
You almost broke her neck. Holy crap.
Callie, you alright, baby? Come here.
Come here, Callie.
Callie, come here.
One more time.
Sit. Sit.
Come here, Sadie.
Hey.
Sadie, come here.
You
Sadie.
almost broke her neck.
You almost broke mine.
Sadie, come here. Callie, no.
Callie, Sadie.
Come here.
Sit.
It's not so easy, is it?
He straight tripped over her. That was the best thing I've ever.
I got it too. Come on, guys. Sadie, Callie, come here. Callie, come here.
Yeah, let's stay out the street.